Go.
Hello everyone, my name is Aliyu, a volunteer and staff with the Nigerian Red Cross. Volunteering could be defined as spending unpaid time doing something to benefit others. It could be formal or informal. In the humanitarian context, it is alleviating humanitarian suffering or a non-profit humanitarian activity. In the humanitarian context of volunteering, there can be a lot of challenges that may arise as a result of limited resources, poor recognition, unsupported activities, loss of interest, limited or no suitable opportunities, poor volunteering activities, etc. Based on some of the listed problems of volunteering, I was able to come up with a list of innovative models that can help address these problems. Each of these models are independent and also interrelate with each other. The first model is called the volunteering space. This brings volunteers together to talk about projects being worked on, opportunities to work together to even create business ideas, projects, or even adverts. Now, these adverts could be internal, within the NS, or external, outside the national society. This could help volunteers to expand their reach. The second model is called gamification. The use of gaming techniques can make volunteering more engaging and fun. This can involve creating a point system, leaderboard system, or even badge rewarding system, which would give the volunteers a healthy competitive system and also encourage their efforts. So all this could be rewarded to volunteers based on their efforts in which they put in. The third is called a volunteer placement. Here, volunteers will be connected to job opportunities not only within the NS, the branch or district, but also other institutions. Here, institutions or even organizations that are in need of specific skills, experience, would be required to get in touch with them. This can help ensure that volunteers match with opportunities that align with their interests, their skills, and even their availability. These models bring together different approaches and techniques to create an innovative, comprehensive solution. By bringing together elements of volunteering, gaming, community building, and information sharing, this process could potentially reduce the identified problems surrounding volunteering. A platform or program can be developed to address the identified problems. By addressing these problems, the program or platform could increase, encourage, improve, and or transform volunteering within a national society or branch or a district. The greatest achievement in implementing this innovative idea would be the acceptance and implementation of these ideas by volunteers and national society, where all the identified challenges have been reduced or eradicated. An increase in the number of volunteers who are happy, committed, and motivated to volunteer. This achievement could be measured in terms of the number of volunteers engaged or number of sign-ups, also the number of times spent volunteering and engagements, and its impact to the NS. Another achievement would be the establishment of a retentionship or a better connected community of volunteers who feels they can easily speak, share their information within themselves, and also receive much more support and value in the work they do. Finally, the sustainability and scalability of this program will be an important achievement, as it would enable the program to continue to impact more volunteers and the NS over time. The impact of implementing an innovative idea that uses the identified models to address the challenges of volunteering could be significant. Some of the potential impacts could include increased participation, improved retentionship and information sharing, increased effectiveness, increased impact, and improved reputation. The impact of the innovative idea would depend on how well it is executed and how effectively it is able to address these challenges. However, if successful, this impact could be highly significant. The sustainability depends on how the national society, volunteer, or staff understands and perceives the idea. A lot of proper and meaningful information sharing needs to happen. Change, depending on its impact, it's a gradual process. Most people, volunteer or the NS, would want to associate with success or something successful. By communicating its benefits and values effectively, it can be done by working with identified targeted audience, addressing their concerns, using data when needed for evidence base, and much more. Thank you. Once again, my name is Aliyu from the Nigerian Red Cross. I'm a volunteer and a staff.
Go.